Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syam Shazwan bin Shairam. I'm from Section 6 and Team 5 GCT.co. Today I'm going to make the presentation about the individual self-reflection of task 6B. And my other team member is Muhammad Haziq, Hadi Firdaus and Muhammad Muzammil. So next I'm going to reflect on the task 1. The task 1, I have gained the knowledge of how to build a floor plan efficiently. This knowledge is gained by having me contacting my seniors, in which case he specialized in building a floor plan. So that's how I get to have a better knowledge of how to build a floor plan efficiently. Next, I have the scaling. I have gained the scaling factor is important when drawing a sketch of a floor plan, because everything scale to the real world need to scale to the real world floor plan. And next, the building should be complied to safety guideline. Based on the senior that I have been in contact with, that I have gained a knowledge about the safety guideline for the building, where the placement of emergency exit, emergency staircase, and many more. Next, I have the reflection of task 2. In task 2, I have gained the knowledge of uh, on how to conduct a session, because this knowledge is needed in order for me to conduct a brainstorming session with my team. This skill is important because it will help us not having to go out of the topic while doing this brainstorming session. Next, in task 2, it is important about the process of choosing hardware and software. In task 2, we need to choose the hardware of our PC, like the specification and its monitor, many more. And for the software part, we need to choose about the antivirus. So at last, we decide on using the Windows Defender antivirus as its antivirus, because it is already a perfect antivirus for a PC. And this is important because uh, the budget is given, and we do not want to overstretch our budget by having an expensive specification of hardware and software. Next, for the task 3 is about choosing the hardware needed. In this task 3, I have gained the knowledge about how I need to research about each device. So in task 3, uh, the research about each device is differ based on my knowledge. In this task, I will need to do a lot of research in the networking hardware for our lab, because there are many available unit, and each unit is different in the specification, uh, the 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 price, and the range of port available to use. Next, I will talk about the reflection on task 4. This task required me to fully understand the layout of the building to continue doing this task. By saying this, I mean that in order to continue making the wiring layout, I need to understand how each wall at, and how do I need to organize the wire in each section of the lab. So by understanding this, I can provide the location of where to place the hardware, such as the switch, router, and the Cisco panel. And in this task, I also gain knowledge of the importance of a patch panel and cable management in building our connection. The patch panel should be considered to be added in our lab because it helped in managing the cable, and the length of every piece of wire needed to be taken into consideration is we only bought a certain unit of wire needed for this task in the previous task, which is task 3. In the task 3 we have already made the list of what kind of wire we need and how long it is need to be. In the task 4, I can reflect on the first approach that we made. The first approach that we made is doing the task without having the understanding of what we need to do. So by having this first approach, we result in more work to do. Next, uh, the importance of having the task to be divided. By dividing the task, it is clear that our work area become smaller as we divide it, and if we are not divide it, we are prone to make mistake a lot because the area that we need to work on as an individual is larger. So next we have the clear planning and documentation. This help our team to have a better understanding of what each person is doing and ensure everything is correct. And the key factor of this clear planning and documentation is to communicate with our team. So in this task 5 reflection, I have gained that it is important to communicate with our team well. By communicating well, we can plan on what each person is doing and what mistake do I have made and how I can help clearing it. Okay, that's all for my reflection, self reflection of the network communication project. Thank you.